we'll guide you through how to bypass the ChatGPT chat limit. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. Ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're set up, you need to pay attention to the session length. The chat limit is often based on session time, so resetting your session can help. Simply log out of your account and log back in to refresh your session. This should allow you to continue chatting without hitting the limit. Another tip is to clear your browser cache and cookies regularly. This can help ensure that old session data doesn't interfere with your current session. To do this, go to your browser settings, find the Privacy and Security section, and clear your browsing data. Make sure to select cookies and cached images and files. Also, check if there are any updates available for your browser or ChatGPT service, as updates can sometimes change how limits are applied. Finally, if you're still facing issues, consider using a different browser or opening an incognito window, as this can sometimes bypass restrictions related to cookies and session data. Remember, these are just workarounds and not guaranteed solutions, as policies might change. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.